Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart actually your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to soft reset it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. Yes, developer's logo. Okay, so you can try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. So basically the combination of keys, which is also usually responsible for taking a screenshot. So let me try to do it. So keep pressing, and of course we've got the screenshot, but keep pressing the buttons. It should take approximately 10 seconds. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing. As we can see, probably this device will not be fully automatically restarted, because as you can see, it just takes time. So as you can see, we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset or force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.